What's good, Keke Squad? You don't know, it's your good girl Keke, and I'm back at it again with another video. Okay, guys, so I know it's been a while since y'all seen this face because, as y'all can remember, the last time I posted was in around early March when I did a get ready with me for graduation pictures vid. Yeah, so that's the last time y'all saw me, but basically I've just been busy because y'all know it's the month of May, so I've been doing CXC, plus in March I had mock exams, and then basically before that it's just been a lot of studying. I'm still in the process of studying. I can stop studying after June 6th, so yeah, up until then I'm in the process of studying. But today is a free day. I have no exam today. It's almost been a week since I've had no exams. I don't have exams until Thursday and Friday. So basically right now, today I'm gonna go on the road to run a couple errands with my big sister, and then I'll be meeting up with a friend to go to Starbucks, and yeah, we go chill and something. So I'll just be vlogging all of this, so stay tuned for more. And yeah, love y'all. See y'all when I'm on the road. Hey guys, I'm reaching out there now and me in at the bus park. I wait for my sister for come, so we are gonna head up on my school first to deal with something, then we're gonna go somewhere else. So I'll see y'all then. Guys, so me done go hard and go up on my school. Now may I go in a square, go wait for my friend. So peace out. Okay guys, so basically art was a fail. Me not apply as it. Me not sure if I want to do the kind of course what them have, and I go to the school to talk to the principal to get her to sign something for me, and she was not there. Neither was the other teacher that I would give. She was not there as well. So basically what I think I'm gonna go for do, I'm gonna place them, but I don't really do them. So yeah. Anyways, it's kinda awkward. I'm in a Popeyes, I wait for my friend to come to go Starbucks. So yeah. Hey guys, so basically I was told y'all that I was waiting on my friend in Popeyes, and she's here now, so say hi. Hi. Okay, so no, you're not look okay. Anyways, so we're gonna walk to Starbucks now, and then I'll update y'all when we reach. So yeah. If you got it, it ain't a problem. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I were good, then you could manage. Yeah. Oh, it could be honest. Closer to me. Oh, giving me stars. Promise that you won't let me fall. Then I can have this moment. I get what I desire, it's my empire, and yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire, I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment I'm king, in this very moment I slay Goliath with the sling, this very moment I bring, put it on everything, that I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me, but I couldn't do it all alone. We, no money raised me, grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy, cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't face me. A long time, I don't I think this is so guys, I chose the strawberry with cream and curry something. Yeah. You today. Guys, look at that building here. It's tall. I think it's a hotel. Okay guys, so right now we're gonna go Burger King, go get something to eat, so yeah. Guys, yeah, smile. No. Guys, so we just left Burger King and yeah. So now we are gonna go back in town. Peace. So this is Rihanna. Hi. On the ear she says she gonna kick me in the road. This is harassment. Guys, what's good? So I just reached home and after a long day, it's like 5:42 now. I've been home for around 5 minutes or so, but yeah, I just reached home after a long day, rainy day in my life. And yeah, so it was a chill day with me and my friend, as well as with me and my sister and so forth. So I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. You have come to the end of the day and the end of the vlog, and stay tuned for more. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any new posts from me. And yeah, that's all for now. Bye guys.
I'll take you farther than Mexico. Yeah, yeah. You still got niggas hard pressed to you though. I know you, shorty.